IMEAS, for over 50 years, has been synonymous with high technology for surface finishing. IMEAS, industrial machines and special equipment for metals, wood and composites. Since the last century, IMEAS creates complex and technologically advanced machines tailored to customer requirements. Machines for calibrating and sanding panels and complete lines for grinding, satin polishing and brushing metals. From stainless steel to titanium, from aluminium to plastics. The continuous interaction with the customer, the ability to interpret the needs and manage inside of its facility all the production cycle have made IMEAS the privileged interlocutor for each project of surface finishing. The heart of IMEAS has always been in Villa Cortese, just a few minutes from Malpensa International Airport. 16,000 square meters, of which 6,500 square meters is covered and dedicated to the activities of production, assembly and delivery, make this site a refined production system, able not only to design and build each machine, but above all to give the customer the possibility to directly experience the IMEAS technology. There are substantially 4 areas. The Research and Development Department, the productive area in which the various components of the machines are born, the assembly and testing of finished products, the administrative offices, technical and commercial. Modern machining centers are used to work the frames, the housings and other special items. The lathe unit produces more than 2,000 rollers per year, in addition to the shafts and gears. Here, the delicate process of grinding and balancing takes place. In this area, the assembly of the machines takes place. But the most interesting part is the test area. This is not a normal area where a machine is shown, but a space in which the customer can test with different processes its materials on different IMEAS standard machines. This is a particularly flexible plant where it's possible that you can reproduce an infinite number of configurations and working parameters. In this way, it is possible to evaluate and configure your line before purchasing. At the end of the test phase, the results are validated directly on the samples in order to configure the system to be more suited to the needs of the customer. In this area, there is the head of IMEAS, engineering. It is the critical department, the one in which you present the most difficult challenge, innovate and adapt our own technologies to always new materials. It is a virtual circle in which innovation is continuous. Each IMEAS machine never ceases to refresh and evolve through a continuous exchange of data and requests with clients. This leads to finding solutions in constant development. The attention to innovation has made the penetration of IMEAS in all markets at the global level possible. The reference markets for IMEAS are historically 2. Wood and metal. Let's start with the metal, with the grinding cabins. Using a wet process, the areas with excess material are removed to obtain centesimal tolerances. The machines for polishing are designed in different configurations and available either dry or wet. They allow a range of virtually infinite finishes to meet the demands of a constantly evolving market. The IMEAS brushing machines, thanks to a patented system of high-frequency oscillation, combine the high productivity to perfect finishes. Machines for mirror finishing allow us to reach infinitesimal roughness and gloss levels, comparable to a mirror. The production range is complemented by systems for protecting the surfaces, including the unique zero overlap plastic laminating machine. To be a market leader, it is not enough to sell many machines. IMEAS has the ability to provide a complete and automated plant in which the different machines are designed and built to work harmoniously together. Let's go now to wood-based panel machines, in which the power and precision borrowed from metal processing machines find their natural development. On wide belt sanders, high speed and precision are combined with a simple setup and minimal maintenance. The systems for cross-sanding are designed for MDF panels that must be painted, varnished or coated with light melamine paper. The grinding machines for decorative laminates, or HPL, allow you to combine the ease of sticking to the support panel with centesimal tolerances. IMEAS is also able to provide tailored solutions for special processes and materials, such as grinding machines for timing belts and calibrating lines for cement boards. IMEAS also offers auxiliary plants such as handling lines for sheets and coils and systems for the treatment of powders and liquids produced by the process. IMEAS, from 50 years at the service of innovation.